Today, we're exploring the journey of Mike Wheeler, the brave leader and heart of the Hawkins party, who first captured our screens in Stranger Things as the devoted friend and protector of Eleven. Throughout the series, Mike has evolved from a nerdy middle schooler into a young man grappling with the complexities of love, loyalty, and his own identity amidst supernatural chaos. So, is Mike Wheeler gay? Let's find out. While Mike's journey has primarily centered on his long-standing romance with Eleven, his character has become the focal point of intense speculation regarding his sexuality. Unlike his best friend, Will Byers, who was canonically confirmed to be gay and in love with Mike during the show's fourth season, Mike's own orientation has remained a subject of Byler fan theories and narrative debate. For years, viewers have dissected his emotional outbursts, his struggles to say "I love you" to Eleven, and his deep, sometimes fraught connection with Will as potential signs of a deeper internal conflict. The conversation surrounding Mike's identity reached a fever pitch in 2025 with the release of the final season. Fans pointed to subtle queer coding throughout the series, suggesting that Mike's intense focus on his relationship with Eleven might be a form of compulsory heterosexuality or a way to fit into the social norms of the 1980s. However, the show's creators and actor Finn Wolfhard have often characterized Mike's struggles as those of a young person learning how to express vulnerability rather than a definitive statement on his sexual orientation. Is Mike Wheeler gay? As of now, within the official canon of Stranger Things, Mike Wheeler is not identified as gay. He concludes the series in a committed relationship with Eleven, having finally found the words to express his love for her. While he remains a deeply supportive ally and friend to Will Byers, acknowledging Will's feelings with grace and maintaining their unbreakable bond, the show maintains Mike's identity as heterosexual. In the world of the show, Mike is last seen looking toward a future in a post-upside-down world, focusing on rebuilding his life in Hawkins alongside his family and friends. For the actor Finn Wolfhard, 2026 marks a busy year as he transitions into more adult roles and continues his work in directing and music. Professionally, he has used his platform to support LGBTQ+ youth organizations, mirroring the heart of his character by advocating for kindness and acceptance. Mike Wheeler has grown from a boy in a basement with a D&D manual into a young man who defines himself through his fierce loyalty to those he loves. While he may not have followed the specific path some fans envisioned, his journey remains a testament to the idea that love, in all its forms, is the most powerful force of all. Thanks for reading. If you want more deep dives into your favorite characters and their journeys, don't forget to follow along for more updates.